Welcome to Galactic Secrets. In this episode, we'll be diving deep into the fascinating world of NASA's missions to Mars and beyond. For over 60 years, NASA has led humanity's charge into space, aiming to unlock the mysteries of our solar system and the universe. From the first missions in the 1960s to the latest rover explorations, NASA's work has continuously pushed the boundaries of what we know, all while preparing for the ultimate goal: sending humans to Mars. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your friends and family so you never miss an episode of Cosmic Discovery. Section 1. The early Mars missions, pioneering the exploration of the Red Planet. NASA's journey to Mars began during the height of the space race with the Mariner missions in the 1960s and 70s. These early missions were critical in providing our first real glimpse of the Red Planet. In 1965, Mariner 4 became the first spacecraft to successfully fly by Mars, sending back 22 images of its surface. These initial pictures were a revelation, showing a barren, cratered landscape that contrasted sharply with earlier hopes of a lush, life-supporting world. By 1971, NASA upped the ante with Mariner 9, the first spacecraft to orbit another planet. Mariner 9 captured detailed images of Martian canyons, volcanoes, and the largest dust storm ever recorded at the time. It revealed that Mars had once been a geologically active planet, igniting the scientific community's interest in its potential to harbor life, either in the past or present. These early missions laid the foundation for everything that would come next, providing not only invaluable data but also the technological know-how needed for more ambitious explorations. Section 2. The Viking Program. Searching for life on Mars. The Viking program in the mid-1970s was a watershed moment in NASA's quest to understand Mars. Viking 1 and Viking 2 became the first spacecraft to land successfully on the Martian surface. Not only did these landers send back stunning high-resolution images of Mars, but they also conducted scientific experiments designed to detect signs of life. Each Viking lander was equipped with instruments to analyze Martian soil, searching for organic compounds and evidence of biological activity. While the results were inconclusive, the Viking missions delivered critical data that showed Mars had once had liquid water, a key ingredient for life. The Viking missions also demonstrated the technological challenges of landing on another planet, providing valuable lessons that NASA would apply to future missions. Despite the lack of definitive evidence for life, the Vikings expanded our understanding of Mars and set the stage for continued exploration. Section 3. Enter the rovers, a new era of mobile exploration. By the late 1990s, NASA's Mars exploration entered a new phase with the development of mobile rovers. The 1997 Mars Pathfinder mission introduced the world to Sojourner, the first ever Martian rover. Although Sojourner was small and only capable of a limited range, it demonstrated the value of mobility in planetary exploration, as it traversed Martian terrain, analyzed rocks, and relayed valuable data back to Earth. The success of Sojourner led to even more ambitious rover missions in the 2000s. Spirit and Opportunity, the twin rovers launched in 2003, were designed to search for past water activity on Mars. Both exceeded all expectations, with Opportunity famously lasting for over 14 years, well beyond its 90-day mission plan. These rovers provided definitive evidence that Mars had once had conditions suitable for liquid water, reinforcing the idea that the planet could have supported life. NASA took another leap with the 2011 launch of Curiosity, a more advanced, car-sized rover equipped with a suite of sophisticated instruments. Curiosity's mission has focused on analyzing the geology of Mars, investigating climate conditions, and assessing whether Mars was ever habitable for microbial life. With each discovery, Curiosity has brought us closer to answering fundamental questions about the Red Planet's past. Section 4. Perseverance and Ingenuity. The next frontier. In 2020, NASA made headlines worldwide with the successful landing of the Perseverance rover. Aimed at a region of Mars known as Jezero Crater, Perseverance is tasked with the most complex and ambitious exploration to date. Jezero Crater was once home to a large lake, making it a prime location to search for ancient microbial life. Perseverance is equipped with tools designed to drill into the Martian surface and collect rock samples, which will eventually be returned to Earth by future missions in the Mars Sample Return Campaign. Accompanying Perseverance is Ingenuity, a small helicopter that became the first aircraft to make powered, controlled flights on another planet. Ingenuity's successful flights demonstrate that aerial exploration of Mars is not only possible but could become an important part of future missions. The Perseverance mission represents the pinnacle of NASA's robotic exploration, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve with technology. It is a key step toward NASA's long-term goal of sending humans to Mars, with Perseverance even testing technologies for oxygen production from the Martian atmosphere, a crucial development for human survival on the planet. Section 5. Preparing for human missions to Mars. NASA's bold vision. The ultimate goal of NASA's Mars program is to send humans to the Red Planet. This ambitious endeavor is expected to take place sometime in the 2030s and will rely heavily on the lessons learned from both robotic and crewed missions. NASA's Artemis program, which will return humans to the Moon, serves as a stepping stone toward deep space exploration, with the Lunar Gateway set to act as a launch point for missions to Mars and beyond. The challenges of sending humans to Mars are vast, from the need for advanced life support systems to the psychological toll of long-duration space travel. However, NASA is making steady progress in developing the necessary technologies. The Space Launch System, SLS, the most powerful rocket ever built, along with the Orion spacecraft, is designed to carry astronauts deeper into space than ever before. When humans do finally set foot on Mars, they will have a variety of scientific goals, including searching for signs of past life, understanding the planet's climate and geology, and paving the way for possible long-term colonization. These missions represent not just the next chapter of exploration but a bold new era for humanity as a spacefaring civilization. Section 6. Beyond Mars. NASA's vision for the outer solar system. While Mars is a primary focus, NASA has also set its sights on exploring the outer solar system. The Juno mission to Jupiter and the Cassini mission to Saturn have provided unprecedented insights into these gas giants and their moons. Of particular interest are icy moons like Jupiter's Europa and Saturn's Enceladus, which are believed to harbor subsurface oceans that could potentially support life. Future missions, such as the Europa Clipper, will dive deeper into these moons, investigating their habitability. Beyond the solar system, NASA's Voyager 1 and 2 probes continue their journey into interstellar space, sending back data from the farthest reaches of our cosmic neighborhood. NASA's exploration beyond Mars demonstrates the agency's commitment to expanding our knowledge of the universe. These missions not only aim to answer fundamental questions about our place in the cosmos but also inspire the next generation of explorers to push even further. Conclusion section. From the early flybys of Mars to the advanced rovers and ambitious plans for human exploration, NASA's missions to Mars and beyond have reshaped our understanding of space. As we continue to explore, the discoveries we make will redefine what is possible and bring us closer to answering some of humanity's oldest questions about life in the universe. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your fellow space enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more explorations of the mysteries of the cosmos, right here on Galactic Secrets.